Hey everyone, in this class we are going to learn inheritance of the classes. So without any further delay, let's start. First we will delete this and here we will define one function, that is another function def. I will call it as a name print, and this will take one default parameter, that is self, and double commas, and print print self dot name. This will print self dot name, okay, slash self dot h. So whenever we will call this function, it will automatically execute the values which are stored here. Okay, so move ahead. In the inheritance, we have two class. That first one is a parent class and second one a child class. In child class, in the place or in the place of parameters, we are sending a parent class address, or you can say we are taking parent class name. So how we can do that? Here first I will define my child class. I will give name to it as my name, and should be in capital. And now I have to take here my parent class name. Okay, and here we have to use pass function. Not a pass. Instead of pass, you can use anything, but I am using here pass. Okay, because I don't want to give anything. Now let's send some values here in the place of name and age. So P1 is equals to um, I have to take name of my parent class, my school, and I will send first parameter value as a name, that is my that is name as a Yasin. Then I have to give value to my age. In place of age I am giving 20, that is my age. In place of age I'm giving integer value, that is 20, that is my age. Okay, now I will call here print my name print function that will automatically print the values whichever stored in that function. Okay, so name print name print. Okay, this will automatically call. Control S, and let's run this. Okay, we have got one error. The error was we have not linked the values of this with the print function. So we have to link it here. That means we have to first call our main class, that we haven't done. Okay, now hope that error would be gone. Control S, and let's run this again. Yeah, we have got a value whichever we have sent. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Meet you again.